Anyways, I know I'm a couple of. I want to say about my husband. Dewey! I'm my husband. My business with a master. Anything I want to say, still my husband. And it doesn't mean that because you say something about my life, that's how it goes. Me live it. When I chat it, watch it. My auntie, this is the way I am, my life, my white face, that's like near makeup. Yeah. Makeup gives you a different feature, a different image. So whether you like it, it's makeup. Whether me like it, makeup. If the woman don't put it on, I'm afraid for her tag her. Oh God, Stacey, you try them chat you. I'm not talking. Why? Sorry. Father God, if you do a bit, this is it enough. Do a wife. Yes. Mm-hmm. So some of them have no clothes. That's the mate. White face. No teeth. Teeth are Zachariah dumpling head. Saw a big dumpling in his bed. And I like me that's too much something. One me, you know. Alright, here the deal now. Now listen. My husband is sleeping, yeah? Yeah. When I stay in a car, I'm in a river. So now, gentle people, you lot haven't seen me for like a couple of days, yeah? And when you not see me too much, you said I'm too much. But you wanna never see me? I get food poison. Remember me telling them my belly that hurt me? Hey! Tory come to bump. Wait, I'm do drop top. It's my husband car. Yeah, my husband bleaching cream by it. Yeah. God bless you, do it. I want you to open my door. What this is? This is. Well, I just have to go on the wriggle me that. But my teeth, I can't bother. Anything you want to say anything about the teeth. Want to work it out. You understand? Just go on the wriggle me that. Guess me this wriggle and Queenie teeth not. Yeah. I do a foreign car this. I'm putting my husband, you know. Yeah. And I'm work, I'm tired. So I'm in there, not me working with my love. All of the husband is bad, see me. Because it's my husband. Love you do it. All of them are hide, but the car get pound here, I'm get it back. Sure. So, I see it, I see. That's so fixed. I see them all like customers, I'm a teacher that fix it. But Jesus, it's what I want to fix it for. I like it make me can't talk. Remember me all purpose it. Yeah, but you soon get husband. I had my husband. Long time I had him. But just a minute from From see him on the road on the Bible. Listen, the June plum staining skin. Oh, I don't try, I don't bleach. This is makeup bleaching. Not in the skin. No. Just on the face. I still look good. You know, teeth and material things that make me. I live with gum there. I couldn't see him here. But listen, I'm a girl power. I'm going to start about menopause. Excuse me. Me at 52? I'd who? I'd stepper. Who name stepper? Hello, stepper. Let me know who name stepper. I'd stepper. Stepper, what? Yeah, I'm going to talk about menopause. The symptoms, the side effect. Like me, you know, me I go through. Stephen said, I'm going to give him the big boss. I like that courage. I received that in the mighty name of Jesus. When I did not dash today for me and tomorrow for you. He said me turn artist 51 year after. When I say, oh, Queenie, I'm like a Lord, man. I say, oh, man, Queenie, this and Queenie. Means everything. I'm every woman, my all purpose. You hear when we name woman? Oh, man. Oh. We get the two name, you know. Man just name man. But we name woman. Who them man? Woman. Who them? Woman. Girl power. Woman power. So listen, when I did not dash them, I always know some going to be some superstar because I was a born star. But the star is super up now. And because I was, I say, no shame to my game. It's one of the most discriminated things that it bring life. All who rich, all who drunk kind of rubbish pan and yam. So when you know one, they're going to forever be powerful. And whether it's raw because of society, hey, because society, when we ban every word that people make them. So not because someone might say something powerful. And we need to give woman more power. The woman is the most discriminated thing towards each other. I'm afraid and defend back a sister and I fight it down. And if I come out and scream, Queenie, and say, gonna say, no, only thing gonna send a phone of mine run my life, that doesn't make any sense. You are fooling your fathers, not mine, because Ms. a well constructive, progressive woman. No matter what class, oh, she depressed. What you can't tell me when me depressed? Me have to tell you when me depressed. You can't say on a phone of mine Queenie depressed and because Queenie depressed. It goes like that. Chat. May I get out with my life. Queenie have mental health. The whole of we have bad mental health. Queenie need God. The whole of us need God. But I haven't God. You see a man that gives it life, take it life. So you see wisdom, knowledge and understanding, a lot of people don't do it. Them don't make no sense. Them full of nonsense. Them not have no common sense at girl Queenie. So, more talk about the look of men. Men are really men. Oh, my heart still, you know. What is about my white feet, right? I'm not telling you, I'm not. Listen, I'm like a girl to face. Don't leave her. I'm not telling you. Wait a minute, I'm not telling you follow down the people them. Leave the people them alone. Queen of all purpose. Remember, in a black business, you know, I forget everybody I bring in, you know. I'm a can't rock anything. Why? Ooh, why? Don't laugh after the girl. Why should you? Leave her face, my heart. Little girl, listen to the better because Jesus Christ. Please stop it. No, man, it's all right, but I'm getting worse at this already. All right. Okay. Please stop it. I'm gonna look good enough. When I have my makeup inside, I'm gonna look good. So it's stupid. Oh, pretty baby says, this sweet, but not even. Blondie one daughter, you know, tomorrow may they have a cried in a park. You hear that? SL Lounge, Mara, all purpose it out. I'll be hosting tomorrow. Many kids them are going ring a rosy and one green buckle standing on the wall. Two green buckles standing. Driving out. You know I'm driving.